It's Friday, woohoo! We are straight to starting work. Our goal is to get this stuff done so we can take the rest of the day off, right, Troy? Yeah, the other two are playing. Got my furry friends here. It's supposed to rain all day, so we're gonna finish our work and then play a little, maybe watch a movie. Just enjoy the day, hopefully. Troy is coloring his butterfly. He learned about butterflies. So his job was to draw a butterfly, make it camouflage, and put it somewhere in the house and have one of us come find it. So he's finishing it up. Then we're going to go on a butterfly hunt. He learned how they're camouflage, right? Alright, go hide it. Alright, you ready for your butterfly hunt? Alright, let's go find the butterfly. Where is the butterfly? Where is the butterfly? Oh, I found it. You see it? I see it. Do you find it, Logan? Come over here. Oh, there it is. Alright, we're working on a puzzle. You gonna help Troy? It's a big 4 puzzle. Ta-da! We did it! Yay! We did it! She's so excited. Good job. She was a good helper, weren't you, Brooklyn? Alright, we are doing some more puzzles. And it is raining outside. So this is going to be an indoor day for sure. It's raining. You see that rain out there, Logan? You hear it? It's cold and wet today. So we are going to be stuck inside all day. Hopefully we'll do some fun games and stuff. They are playing so nicely together. Good job, boys. Doesn't happen very often around here. Alright, the rain finally stopped. Yay. Still really wet and very cloudy, but we have done absolutely nothing today. We got in a nap and the boys have played and we've watched a lot of TV today, but it's just been a nice, restful, lazy Friday. So we're gonna get out, walk around, and yeah, just get out a little bit. Puddles, give me. All right. Puddles, puddles, puddles. All right.
Okay.
They are FaceTiming.
Yeah.
Tim's mom. She got her Mother's Day gift. She's gonna open it up.
You already know what it is? Funko Pop. You know.
Tell her she can put it with her other ones.
Huh? Yeah. You see it, Troy? Brooklyn, you see it? Who is it? It's a bear? Yeah. Happy Mother's Day. Oh, you did? You already open it? You're welcome. Mm.
I didn't know if I was supposed to wait or not, but I thought, oh boy, I'm gonna wait on this. I didn't know if I was supposed to open this one or not. I've been waiting on it all day. I went to the front, went to the back, went to the garage doors, and I asked your daddy, I said, if I got a package yet? Well, I don't know. So
Are you feeling left out? Oh, this is what happens when you're stuck in the house all day because of the rain. Oh, what is wrong with y'all? Oh goodness, heaven help us.